Hey everyone, welcome back. I want to give you an update of where we're at on progress on our house. The last time I shared a video with you, I was showing you where they're preparing the old foundation and preparing the ground to put in a new foundation with the pillars to support the house. Remember, this started with that old nasty crack that showed that the foundation of the house needed some work. So what's been done so far is that they prepared the ground, we saw that, and then they dug the holes and they put the pillars in. The pillars actually came in the form of rebar that were cemented down into the ground, but you'll see that in the video. And then they laid down the new foundation, attached it to the old foundation. Unfortunately, we've not been able to go back to Italy yet, but our contractor and our builder, they have been sending us great photos and a little bit of video that I want to share with you now and just give you an update of what's coming along in the future and what we hope for. So as I mentioned in the previous video and shared with you, is once they put those pillars in the ground across the back of the building, they had to attach the old foundation to the new foundation that was being poured, and that was done successfully. So in this video, I want to share with you some of the pictures that they sent to us, how that was done. The first thing they were able to do is remove this old beat up sidewalk from the back of the building. We all know that was actually really doing us no favors, and they were able to do that quite neatly and quickly. I also shared that in the last video, but we know that was necessary so that they could prepare the ground to drill the holes for the new pillars. After the ground was meticulously prepared, they were ready to start digging the holes for the 11 pillars to go across the back of the building to support the new foundation, as you can see how it would look in this drawing here. The 11 rebar forms for the pillars were delivered to our house on the back of a flatbed truck, or for my friends in Great Britain, I think they call that a lorry. Once those were on site and in place, the digging began. Once the holes were completed, the rebar was set in place and the pillars were formed with concrete. Once the concrete was set, they were able to move on with forming the rebar for the extended foundation that connected to the old foundation. The wood was put in place to keep the cement in place, and as you can see, that was a brand new looking sidewalk, which was actually an extension of the old foundation into the new. Now that the foundation is complete, they still need to clear some way to put the gravel to drain the water away from the house and tile that new sidewalk out back. I want to take a moment and share with you this rendering that was created by our architect Diego. He wanted to show us how the house would roughly look like once everything in this phase has been completed, including the new doors and windows. We're also going to have to add new lintels above the doors and windows for support, and also repair the eave of the roof for water to drain away from the house. We do like that he moved the downpour spout from the center of the house all the way to the east side of the house. I think that's a better look aesthetically. Additionally, we were given some good advice about the exterior of their house. Looking around the neighborhood and a lot of the redone houses, you see people cover up the old stones with either stucco or leave it part exposed or clean. Our house has a lot of history though. If you look above and below the windows and doors and where the chimney is, there's different bricks from different time periods, different stones from different time periods. And it was told to us that this really tells a history of our house, and I really like history, and I think it's important to keep that on there and show as opposed to just covering it up. So thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give us that thumbs up, share with your friends. Remember, your comments are really important to us, and your feedback. We really enjoy conversing with everybody. So stay tuned and watch for more progress. We look forward to seeing you again.